I just connected to the network. I need my identity, I need an IP address today. I send a broadcast message, calling across the whole network. Is there any server out there who can help me here? I am searching for my new identity. This is my very first step, the great DHCP discover message.
I am the DHCP server. I heard your call clearly. I have an IP address made especially for you.
With subnet mask and gateway too, everything is ready for you. Come and join the network now. Take your first step forward somehow.
I send you an offer, a new opportunity for you. This is the network's helping hand. DHCP offer, just as planned.
Thank you, server. I choose you. Your IP address will now be mine. I broadcast and let all know.
This is the server I will follow.
This address now belongs to me. My network journey is now free. I send my request with full trust, moving forward as I must. This is DHCP request, the next step towards success.
Welcome, client. Now you're ready. You are fully connected already.
Your IP address is now active.
Your connection is fully effective.
You can browse and explore now. You are part of the network somehow. Your journey is now complete. The network connection is fully achieved. This is DHCP. Acknowledge connection, success, and knowledge. Discover, the search begins. Offer, the server responds. Request, the client agrees. Acknowledge, connection succeeds. Discover